With just a 10% down payment, you can already move in and enjoy up to 25% cash discount. This is Park McKinley West.
Welcome to Park McKinley West, located along Legrand Avenue, Taguig City. This luxurious address comes with its own 2-by-level mall, making everyday living super convenient for end users and investors alike. You're surrounded by multinational offices, top schools, and even billionaires row. As your prestigious neighborhood, travel is breeze only 10 minutes to BGC, 15 minutes to Makati, 25 minutes to the International Airport, and just a short walk to the upcoming Metro Manila subway station, plus near the iconic Venice Grand Canal Mall, and Senate Office of the Philippines, with world-class amenities and unbeatable location. This is your golden chance to invest in one of the most prime after communities in Taguig. For an actual site viewing or Zoom meeting presentation, message me now and let's make your dream property a reality.